Hi, I'm Heather VanderMyde with Caldwell Bankers, Seaside Realty, and the VanderMyde Real Estate Group. I have a special property to share with you today. This is 212 Harbinger Ridge Road. The panoramic views will astound you as you enter this like-new, custom-crafted soundfront beauty. Modeled after the Marshes Lighthouse in downtown Manio, over 1,000 square feet of water frontage, 2 stock ponds, several private sandy beaches, and lots of wildlife make this coastal fortress like no other, perfect for waterfront enthusiasts, hunters, and bird lovers. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath cottage has almost 3,000 square feet and is the perfect blend of old and new. It was built in 1962 as a fishing camp and recently renovated in 2020, the effective year built. The exterior was upgraded with durable smart side trim and siding, a 24-gauge Galvalume roof, new vinyl bulkhead and jetties, new HVAC, and so much more. Let's go inside and take a look. On the ground level, there's a 2-car garage and another flex space that can be used as an office, craft room, workshop, or study. There's lots of potential with this 33 acres. It can be subdivided into different parcels or even lots and used as a small family subdivision. It would make a perfect second home, primary home, wedding venue, yoga meditation retreat, or hunting fishing camp. I've seen lots of turkeys and deer while hiking in the woods here. The entire property and all the different terrain is absolutely breathtaking. So remember, if you want to be close to the beach, less than 2 miles, or close to the water park or golf courses, but yet away from it all and on 33 acres of your very own property, please give me a call for a private tour or more information at 252-202-2375. Thank you.